Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Yes, students, in my last lecture, you were looking in exercise 1.1. Question number 1, 2 we have completed there. Now we are going to continue our next question, question number 3. Here we have the question, write any two sets by listing and rule method. Means we have to write there two sets. One method by listing and another method by rule method. Now see, we can write ourselves by taking the example. Suppose I am taking one example. First, set A, I am writing by listing method. We will write here by listing method. Set A, we have, suppose in a list order or listing method, set A means A equal to curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, continue. Now closing curly bracket. This is the 2, 4, 6, 8. It is the even number. This is the listing method. Now we convert into the rule method, means second method by rule method. It is your second. Same set we are writing here, set A. Set A. Here we have to write X. These all are the even numbers. So we'll write in words X is an even numbers. X is an even numbers. Now close the curly bracket. Once again let's see. The rule method, we'll write the A, the name of set equal to curly bracket X, and X is an even numbers. This is the second method. Now we have written here by listing method, and the other method is there by rule method. Now see the second example. Suppose we are writing the B. This is your listing method. Set B 2, 3, 5, 7, continue. Now student, be careful and watch the carefully this set. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13, 17, 19. These are the odd numbers. Okay, means odd numbers, or you can say these are the prime numbers which doesn't belongs to in other numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers. So we'll write in word this set, same thing. This is your rule method. Set B will be as it is, curly bracket. Suppose I am taking P. P is a prime number. And close the curly bracket. Once again, in listing method, you will write the numbers separated by commas and will close and open with the curly bracket. Set B curly bracket 2, 3, 5, 7. All the numbers will be separated by commas and close the curly bracket. This is your listing method. Now next one is the rule method. We will write set B as it is, the same name, and P. P is a prime numbers and close the bracket. This is the rule method. I think you got it. Now in question number 4. Here what we are given, see in your textbook, we are given the question, write the following sets. Write the following sets using listing method. Means we are given the sets in rule method and we have to write the set, we have to convert the set, given set into the listing method. Means we will write in listing method on the set. Suppose we are going to try the question number 2 of 4. See it very carefully. Letters in the word complement what's the question? Letters in the word complement. This is in words we are given, means this is the rule method. Now we have to convert this one into the listing method. Answer. Suppose I am giving the name of set A. Suppose we'll write all the alphabets by separated the commas, but we have to be careful. Whenever you will face a letter is repeated here in particular word, so will not repeat the word. Okay, will not repeat the word. We will write at once the particular digit, number or letter. Okay, now we'll write here C, comma O, comma M, comma P, comma L, comma E, comma M. Will not write this E once again because we have already written it. Okay, so we'll take the M and last we'll take the T and close the curly bracket. This is your listing method. Okay, I think you got the question was there. Letters in the word complement. Okay, so we'll write all the letters separated by commas, will not repeat the E because E we have twice in the particular word. Okay, now see the third one question. In the third one we are given set of human sensory organ. You know human sensory organs, we'll write the name of the set. Suppose I am writing the name of the set B. What are the sensory organs? You know, nose, ears, eyes, tongue, and last skin. Close the bracket. These are the human sensory organs. In last, see the question number 4.1. Set of prime numbers. Question is there, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Now see, you know prime numbers, we'll write the name of set C. The prime numbers started by 2, so we'll write the 2 first, then 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and close the bracket. These all are the prime number between 1 to 22, 3, 5, 7. Next one is the 11, 13, 17, 19. You know prime numbers. Okay, let's see the next question, question number 5. Read the question, everyone. In the question number 5, write the following sets using the rule method. In question number 5, we have to write rule method. Means we are given the question in listing method. What we are given in listing method? See the first question, we have set A there, 1, 4, 9, 16 and continue. The last number is there 100. 1, 4, 9, 16, next 25, 36, 49, next 64, next 81 and the last we are given 100. These all are the, see very carefully, these all are the what? These all are the perfect square number. What? These all are the perfect square. Means this number 1 is the square of 1 and the last number that 100 is the square of 10. Means these all are the 1 to 100 means 1 to 10 squares are there. 1 square and last 10 square is there. So we'll write in the rule method, we'll write the set A as it is. We'll write this one like this one, set x is equal to square of A, comma x is equal to A square, and we'll write the A is belongs to the natural number. I'm explaining you be careful, see here. A belongs to n means natural number, and what is the A? A is less than and equal to 10. A is less than and equal to 10 means what? Here see very well. A is a number which is belongs to the natural number, and means what type of this number? This is more than A and less than and equal to 10. More than A means that is the first number 1. Okay, first number 1 and equal to 10 or less than 10 means 10 and less than 10 means 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2 and last you will get there 1. Means this means you will get here 1 to 10 number. What? 1 to 10 number which is are involved in A, and A is a natural number. So we'll write here 1 suppose, or 1 to 10 number. Suppose we are putting here, if suppose you get the 1 square is well will go 1, and if you are putting the 2 you will get the square of 2 is 4, 3 square of 3 is 9. Like this we'll putting the number 1 by 1. After in the end of the session you will put the 10, you will get the square of 10, 100. Means this all number you will get that. This is your rule method. Okay, you got, I think. Now see the second question. B. You are given 6, 12, 18, 24 and continue. The last number is there 48. These all are the 6, 12, 14, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. These are the table of 6 and the 8 number is there 48. 6 8 is 48, 6 1 is 6. So how to write this one? See there, we'll write this one set B. What type of this one? See, we'll take the y is equal to 6a. Y is equal to 6a because these are the multiple of 6. So we'll write the 6a. And what do you mean by A? A is belongs to n. A is belongs to n and A is less than 9. What is A? A is less than 9. Less than 9 means 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These all are 1 to 8 natural number. We'll put here suppose we are putting 1, we'll get 6 1 is 6. We are putting 2, 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is like this number you will put. The end number is there 8, 6 8 is 48. You will get this all numbers. You will get all these numbers. Okay, these are the statement like a rule method. I think you got. Now third one and last question, and remaining you will do, I think, C. We have here S, comma, M, comma, I, comma, L, comma, E. So we'll write, this is the word smile. Okay, now we'll write here C. Take the P. P is a letter in the word smile and close the curly bracket. Okay, I think you got. The smile means the word was there. We have taken the smile word in the listing method by separated comma. Okay, now we are going to convert into the rule method. We'll write like this: P. P is a letter in the word smile. Got everything, I think. Okay, student, be careful. Watch carefully the question. I try to well your best. Okay, and do all question, and whatever I have not explained, you will practice at home, inshallah. Okay, we'll see next exercise next time. 1.2. Thank you. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.